Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a React.js module which allows you to do media queries inside your React.js application. Depending upon the screen size, we will be able to show and hide HTML elements. So as you can see on the desktop screen, the menu is showing like this, but when I basically uh, reduce the screen size, you will see it will change into hamburger menu, and now this menu appears like this. So I will show you there is a specific package here which solves this problem of hiding and showing elements on screen size. When the screen becomes low, we can show and hide elements. So there is a package for this. If you go to npmjs.com, just search for this package, React Use Media. This is essentially a hook which allows you to just find out the size of the screen dynamically. So this is actually the module. The command is very simple. You simply install this, and it's fairly new package, but it returns the screen size according to you. You can set the minimum width. You can set this width, and then it will dynamically change as the screen meets the requirement. It will show and hide elements. So let me show you a complete example. uh, all the source code will be given in the description of this video, so you can refer my blog post for full source code. So first of all, we make a simple functional component, and then we simply require this module using the import statement like this, use media, which will be coming from this package React Use Media. So in this easy way, we can require this package using the import statement, and after that we just need to declare the variable where you specify the width of the window using this hook. So here we can specify a minimum width. So we can specify the minimum width to be around 800 pixel. So we specify this variable using this hook, use media, which is coming from this package. And now in the JSX, wherever you need to display elements dynamically, we can actually put a style here of display to flex, and then we can set a minimum height of around 100 vertical height, and inside this we can basically check if the screen size is almost smaller than or equal to 800, then in that case we need to show something, and if the screen size is smaller than, then in that case we need to show something. So now here we can dynamically show elements. So we can basically show this menu, which will be the desktop size. You can see that. So this will show on the desktop screen, the screen which is greater than or equal to 800. But if the screen size becomes smaller than 800, then in that case we will change the menu to hamburger like this. So this, we are using a ternary operator here like this, if you see. So now we have a condition right here. We are checking it. If the screen is greater than or equal to 800, then we are showing this, or else this. If you refresh your application, what you will see, this is your desktop screen, and as soon as I responsively reduce the size, you will see it will change to toggle menu. You will see this is the mobile view. So in this easy way guys, you can build responsive websites in React using this package, React Use Media. You can use this package. It essentially does the media queries of CSS dynamically. So thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.